What will happen in your body if you decided one day that you want to take apple cider vinegar just before the bed? At the end of the show, you will receive the drink that you need to take each day. For the greatest health benefits, use organic apple cider vinegar with a mother. First of all, what is the apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is the type of apple cider vinegar that has undergone fermentation, first fermented with the yeast and the bacteria, which converts sugar into alcohol, and then the second fermentation process in which alcohol is converted into acetic acid. This process forms probiotics and the enzymes that promote health, giving it significantly less sugar and fewer calories than apple or apple juice. Apple cider vinegar promotes better function of hunger hormones, reduce appetite and accelerate metabolism. It gives you more energy and detoxifies the body. All this leads to natural weight loss. And this is maybe the first thing that you need to remember. If you take apple cider vinegar just before to bed, you will get your chance in natural way to reduce your weight. Second most important thing that you will not believe, this apple cider vinegar can help you a lot with the blood vessels. Usually can help you not get any chance of blood clots. Usually everyone knows that stroke and the heart attack is the most common causes of the death in the modern era right now, and the leading cause of course is the blood clots in the just the blood vessels. Usually when you take apple cider vinegar just before the bed, you reduce risk of the blood clots in your blood vessels. Apple cider vinegar promotes better blood sugar control and reduces the risk of diabetes. About this a little bit later. Apple cider vinegar strengthens your immunity. It promotes lymphatic drainage and improves circulation. Expect better joint function and less pain, swelling and stiffness if you had arthritic changes in your back, knees or your hips. Apple cider vinegar naturally reduces the symptoms of the gout. Chemical substances in apple cider vinegar act against the formation of the cancer, especially with beta-carotenes, polyphenols and flavonoids, which are powerful natural anti-cancer drugs that you cannot believe. So apple cider vinegar had and has anti-cancer property. Exciting news, my dear followers. My first book that is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity is available to you right now. You can now grab your copy in Croatian, Polish, German and English on my brand new website mariolab.hr. Get your copy today and unlock the secrets to healthier and longer life. The book is available for every country all around the world. Couple more things. Usually, especially in this modern era when we eat a lot of garbage and the junk food, our digestive system is attacked each day. When you take apple cider vinegar just before the bed, you will get a little better function of digestive system. Usually that can help you that you will get a better good night's sleep, and your digestion is going to be a lot better if you use apple cider vinegar before the bed. You will have less flatulence, gastritis, heartburn and constipation. Your food will be digested much better. What you never heard is that apple cider vinegar reduces risk of allergies. Another important reason to take apple cider vinegar is that it will help you all women with menstrual or menopausal problems. It reduces headache and insomnia. These are just some of incredible health benefits of apple cider vinegar. What is really well known, apple cider vinegar is gonna lower your blood sugar levels, especially just before the bed, and that is gonna help you not get this diabetes or the insulin resistance. That is very important in this modern world. Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity as health tonic, and its key ingredient, acetic acid, is the secret behind its outstanding properties. This powerful compound possesses anti-glycemic abilities that can positively affect our health. One of the remarkable features of apple cider vinegar is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. After meal, when blood sugar tends to jump, acetic acid jumps in to mitigate this effect. In addition, consuming apple cider vinegar before the bedtime show promising results in managing blood sugar levels overnight. Acetic acid, which is abundantly found in apple cider vinegar, acts as a guard against sudden spikes in blood sugar. By slowing down the digestion processes, it ensures that carbohydrates are not quickly absorbed in the bloodstream. Simply put, apple cider vinegar has anti-glycemic properties that slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. You will not believe it. Also, what is very well known, if you have regularly leg cramps, usually when you take apple cider vinegar before the bed, you will get a chance to relieve your symptoms of the leg cramps. Also, you not believe it, if you have this upper respiratory problem, especially these sinuses or stuffy nose, we know if you drink apple cider vinegar before the bed, you're gonna help also with these kind of problems. Helps treat sore throats. Sore throats normally occur when viruses infect your throat. This means that antibiotics cannot work on the sore throat. You need home remedy that would clear those infections, and apple cider vinegar is a good alternative. If you take apple cider vinegar before the bed, you will be creating an alkaline environment for the body. This is conducive to getting rid of viruses or bacteria. Additionally, the habit of taking apple cider vinegar at night boosts your immunity and helps you off sore throat in the future. How will you take apple cider vinegar just before the bed? Maybe 1 hour before the bed. Is 200 milliliters of water, dissolve 2 small spoon of apple cider vinegar just in the water, mix it well and drink it. And this is gonna help you with a lot of issues in a very natural way, and maybe one of the easiest way for you to get better. If you have any kind of information that apple cider vinegar is helping you in any other way, please of course comment below. For the last 25 years, I'll be working with the patient all around the world. I proudly can say I cured thousands and thousands of people. My specialty to heal you with the help of my programs of natural medicine and nutrition. By following Mario Lab Natural Treatments program, you enable yourself to be permanently healthy without drugs and any kind of surgeries. For certain conditions and diseases, in my office we use medical physical therapy and rehabilitation treatments. If you want me to treat you, call the Mario Lab Center in Zagreb, Croatia, or visit mariolab.hr, my new website where you have all necessary information. The links are located below the video. Complete treatments, my phone consultations are doing in Croatian and also in English language.